South Africa, known as the Rainbow Nation, is a country rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. Located at the southern tip of the African continent, it boasts a diverse landscape ranging from rolling savannas and towering mountains to pristine beaches and vast deserts. This dynamic country offers a blend of modernity and tradition, making it one of the most fascinating destinations in the world. South Africa's history is deeply rooted in indigenous cultures, European colonization, and a long struggle for freedom. The earliest inhabitants, the Khoisan, lived in the region for thousands of years before the arrival of Bantu-speaking communities. European exploration began in the 15th century, with Dutch settlers establishing the Cape Colony in 1652, followed by British colonization. The influx of settlers led to conflicts with indigenous groups, shaping the political and social landscape of the country. The 20th century saw the rise of apartheid, a system of institutionalized racial segregation enforced from 1948 to 1994. The apartheid regime created deep divisions within society, disenfranchising the majority of the population and sparking international condemnation. The world witnessed South Africa's painful but inspiring journey toward democracy, led by figures like Nelson Mandela and Desmond Tutu. The end of apartheid in 1994 marked the birth of a new democratic South Africa, with Mandela becoming the first black president. This transition was a milestone in global history, demonstrating the power of reconciliation and unity. South Africa is a constitutional democracy with a three-tier government structure: national, provincial, and local. It has a parliamentary system, with the president serving as both the head of state and government. The country is known for its progressive constitution, which enshrines human rights, equality, and freedom for all citizens. The judicial system, independent of political influence, plays a crucial role in upholding democratic principles. Despite challenges such as political corruption, economic disparities, and periodic social unrest, South Africa continues to be a model of resilience and democratic progress in Africa. The country has also played a key role in regional and international organizations, advocating for peace and development in Africa and beyond. As Africa's second-largest economy, South Africa is a key player on the continent. It has a mixed economy that includes mining, manufacturing, agriculture, and services. The country is the world's largest producer of platinum and a major exporter of gold, diamonds, and other minerals, making mining a critical industry. Additionally, the agricultural sector contributes significantly to both local consumption and international trade, with products like wine, citrus fruits, and maize. Johannesburg, the financial hub, is home to the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, one of the largest in the world. South Africa also boasts a growing technology sector, with innovations in fintech, artificial intelligence, and renewable energy. The government has implemented policies to stimulate entrepreneurship and foreign investment, aiming to reduce unemployment and economic inequality. Tourism also plays a vital role in South Africa's economy. With breathtaking landscapes, rich wildlife, and vibrant cities, the tourism sector attracts millions of visitors each year. However, economic challenges such as unemployment, poverty, and inequality persist, requiring continued reform, investment in education, and innovation in sustainable development. South Africa is a dream destination for travelers, offering something for everyone. Kruger National Park, one of Africa's largest game reserves known for its incredible wildlife, including the Big Five lion, leopard, elephant, rhino, and buffalo. Visitors can enjoy guided safaris, self-drive adventures, and luxury lodges that immerse them in nature. Table Mountain. Overlooking Cape Town, this iconic landmark provides breathtaking views, hiking trails, and a cable car ride to the summit. Robben Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where Nelson Mandela was imprisoned for 18 years. The guided tours provide a powerful historical perspective on the country's struggle for freedom. The Garden Route, a stunning coastal drive filled with lush forests, beautiful beaches, and charming towns like Knysna and Plettenberg Bay. It is ideal for road trips, outdoor adventures, and relaxation. Drakensberg Mountains, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with dramatic peaks, hiking trails, and ancient sandrock art, offering a glimpse into the region's rich heritage. Blyde River Canyon, one of the world's largest canyons offering breathtaking scenic views, waterfalls, and activities like hiking and whitewater rafting. The Cape Winelands, famous for its world-class vineyards in Stellenbosch and Franschhoek, offering wine tastings, gourmet cuisine, and stunning landscapes. Durban's Golden Mile. A vibrant beachfront with golden sands, warm waters, and a mix of Indian and African influences reflected in the local cuisine. South Africa is home to over 60 million people of diverse ethnic backgrounds. The country has 11 official languages, with English, Zulu, and Xhosa being the most widely spoken. Its cultural richness is reflected in music, dance, art, and cuisine. From traditional African rhythms to modern jazz and hip-hop, South Africa has made significant contributions to global music. South Africans are known for their warmth, hospitality, and resilience. The spirit of Ubuntu, meaning I am because we are, is deeply ingrained in society, emphasizing community and interconnectedness. Festivals like the Cape Town Jazz Festival, Durban's Diwali celebrations, and the Zulu Reed Dance highlight the country's diverse cultural traditions. South Africa is a country of contrasts, where history and progress intertwine. It is a place where breathtaking nature, resilient people, and economic potential make it a truly unique destination. Whether you are drawn to its wildlife, rich history, or booming cities, South Africa offers an unforgettable experience for visitors and a promising future for its people. As the country continues to evolve, it remains a beacon of hope and inspiration, showcasing the strength of unity and perseverance in the face of adversity. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, you may subscribe, share, like, or comment for more.